2011 Nissan Altima. So basically it have a tracking problem. I do a check through the car and notice one of the ignition coil burst open like fry. So we change out the ignition coil and stuff. We change the chocolate body also. But the problem we're having is the car start, but the check light is on. And we try to give the car gas, like your foot on the pedal, it's not going anywhere and stuff. But whenever we clear the code, it actually rev right out, and then the check light just pop right back on. And the code that we're getting for the check light was for the ECU. So basically we got a used one from off eBay, so we're gonna put it in and reprogram it. I also got myself the new Max im608. This is my first time using it, and I paid like almost $4,000 with the accessories and stuff, with the G box and the some other little stuff. So let's scan it and see what code is there and stuff. So I'm looking for measuring this one. I kind of like this scanner. Pretty huge screen and stuff. So it chopped it perfectly. When I'm stepping on the gas, it won't do anything. Let's check it here. Yep, that's the VIN. Control unit, engine. This is a name called ECM. That's a problem that we're having. So I want to erase the code. The light is on, and then the light pop right back on. I keep my foot on the gas pedal right now. So I'm gonna erase it. I guess it shut off. So we're gonna change out the computer, reprogram the key over to this computer, and rewrite over the VIN to this computer also. That's the info for the ECU. Okay. This is the computer we're gonna replace. I'm not sure if it's something shorts out on it or what, the battery water rusty out, but inside. Look at the corrosion, even that chip right there. You can see the white stuff on it, so we're gonna replace it and stuff. So let's disconnect the battery. So we just have to look over these wires, make sure anything doesn't really break. I'll get the connections out. See right on it. Get this ECU off eBay for like $80. Got everything bolted in. Batteries in. Let's see what code we got. We're going to rewrite the VIN. So this is the VIN in the computer, and the one that we get buy from eBay. So we're gonna do a rewrite VIN. Alright, this is the VIN of the car. Okay. Complete. So this is the new VIN now. With the old VIN up there, so let's back right up.
Everything's good?
Okay, so let's exit and let's check over the VIN. Let's read. That's a new VIN now. Well, the old VIN that we transfer over to the used computer. So now it said 2012. At first it was saying 2010 Nissan Altima. Now it's at 12. So what I did to to get the key reprogram back to the computer, what I did was I'll go over to mobilizer. Turn the car over to mobilizer. Then I select a Nissan. I almost take the whole car apart. It was giving me a lot of problem to get the pin for the mobilizer, but I was going wrong about it, how to program it. As I said, it's the first time I'm using this scanner, so I was here from 12 o'clock, and now it's like 4 o'clock, so I'm like here 4 hours stressing out and stuff, like trying to figure out why I could not get the key to program to the computer. So what I did was, I guess I will try and show. I'll go to mobilizer.